How to book a stay on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issue to book a stay on Airbnb application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To book a stay on Airbnb application, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, find a home or apartment you love. Once you find it, tap on the listing to open it. Then choose check-in and check-out dates, number of guests. The price will update automatically. Now, next, tap the reserve or continue button. After you select the homestay, you can see this option for reserve, which is usually located at the right bottom of the screen. Just simply tap on reserve or continue button. Now review everything carefully: dates, guests, final price including fees, house rule. If the host offers instant book, you can confirm right away. If not, you will need to send a request and wait for the host to accept. Select your payment method, then confirm and pay. Once the booking is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation message, full details of the stay, check-in instructions before arrival. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna book a stay on Airbnb application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.